it was also challenging and dangerous for us to collect such type of environment. Well, just look at here. The weather looks very gloomy. The sky is covered with black and thick clouds, and somehow we can also see the lightning is happening, and we're just getting a sound, roaring sound. Okay, but the view of the scenery is so nice and splendid looking. We hope to get this type of such type of amazing view and scenery, and we would like to enjoy this sort of beauties. Okay, so my audience, I want to present the whole situation and attractive view and natural beauties in front of you. Thank you all to watch my all whole video, a full video. Thank you.